In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce gas fees on UniSwap. Open the official UniSwap app in your browser. As the page loads, keep an eye on the live gas estimate in your wallet. Network demand changes constantly, and even waiting a minute or two when it's spiking can noticeably lower what you pay. From the main screen, head to the Pool tab. This is where you'll manage or create liquidity positions. Choose New to start a fresh position. We're going to set things up in a way that keeps your on-chain actions lean, so you're not paying for unnecessary contract calls. Select the token pair you want to provide liquidity for, then pick each token. Popular, verified tokens are best because they avoid surprises and typically already have established pools. If you've previously approved a token with your wallet, Uniswap will recognize it and you'll skip an extra approval transaction, which saves gas. Next, choose a fee tier. This number is the trading fee taken by the pool, not the gas paid to the network. It affects your potential earnings and which pool you join, but it won't directly reduce gas at checkout. Pick the tier that matches your strategy and the most liquid pool for your pair. Click More to open advanced options. Only enable features you actually intend to use. Extra toggles can add complexity to the transaction, and a simpler transaction generally costs less gas. If you're unsure, leaving advanced settings at their defaults is a safe, efficient choice. Continue to the next screen. Your wallet may prompt for token approvals if you haven't granted them before. Each approval is a separate on-chain action, so approving only what you need today avoids paying for unnecessary blanket permissions. If you've already approved a token, Uniswap will proceed without another approval, which saves you a transaction. Review the current price displayed for the pair. This is a reference point for your range. In price strategies, decide how concentrated you want your liquidity to be. A single, straightforward range keeps the transaction simple, which helps minimize gas for this add liquidity step. Enter the amount of each token you want to deposit. If you see a simulation or gas estimate in your wallet, glance at it before confirming. Small adjustments in amount won't usually change gas much, but avoiding last-second setting changes prevents resimulations and extra prompts. Finally, choosing full range spreads your liquidity across the entire price spectrum. While this may dilute fee earnings, it reduces the need for frequent repositioning later, which can save gas over time. When everything looks right, confirm the transaction in your wallet, let it process, and you're done.